know it's Halloween and we're going to indulge a little, but in my Kara's Cure, I sat down for lunch with the world-famous Dr. Mark Hyman to see what does he eat every day.
Yeah, he's out with a new cookbook called Food. What the heck should I cook? He is head of strategy and innovation for the Center for Functional Medicine at Cleveland Clinic and has a wellness center not too far from us in Lenox, Massachusetts that you can actually go to.
And that is actually where I sat down with the good doctor to find out what we should eat to lose weight and feel better. Take a look. I'm here with Dr. Mark Hyman, the author most recently of What the Heck Should I Cook, which this is our cookbook to go with What the Heck Should I Eat? Which sort of brings us to our first question of most people probably don't know, what the heck should we eat?
It's true, we're so confused, and it's no wonder, because one day the news says eggs are bad, then they're good, then they're bad.
Most people don't think of food as medicine, but
No.
it is?
Yeah, so what most people think of food as calories. You know, you don't want to eat too many calories, you want to burn off more calories than you eat. That's the secret to weight loss, except it doesn't work, because food contains far more than calories, it contains information. Basically instructions that tell your biology what to do every minute. So speed up your metabolism, slow it down.
So we really shouldn't count calories?
No, bad idea.
Don't count calories?
No, never.
Mark Hyman, what do you eat? Let's start with the morning.
Okay, the morning I have a couple of breakfasts. I like, pasture-raised eggs, not pasteurized, but eggs that are from chickens that run around on pastures and eat all kinds of grubs. That makes them have a lot of nutrients.
If you want to make it fancier, he has a one-pot breakfast recipe for eggs with green shashuka, a flavorful sauce with green veggies.
No toast?
I'm not a big toast guy. I think,
Even if it's like whole grain or organic?
So guess what? Whole wheat bread raises your blood sugar more than table sugar. So if you have a sandwich with 2 slices of whole wheat bread, you might as well put 2 tablespoons of table sugar on your sandwich fixings and you'd be better off.
Dr. Hyman thinks most people should be gluten-free or gluten-light. All of his bread recipes in the book are made with nut flours and seeds. Or you can try buying paleo breads and spread some nut butter on them. He calls himself a pegan, someone who eats mostly plants with lean protein from animals and minimal grains. For a mid-morning snack, Dr. Hyman loves a good smoothie.
You can put in all kinds of things in your smoothies. You can put in collagen protein. This one has blueberries, zucchini, almond milk, collagen powder, a little coconut water, almond butter, chia seeds, hemp seeds, MCT oil.
What does Dr. Hyman eat for lunch?
For lunch, if I'm home, I typically make what I call a fat salad.
This is a recipe-free meal in the book. The goal is veggies, healthy fats, and protein.
So if people are having a salad, just some simple things you would tell them, add some nuts, add some protein, and even that would be an improvement.
And good fats. So avocados, olives.
Olive oil?
Olive oil.
Okay.
Pumpkin seeds are great.
Speaking of nuts, they're Dr. Hyman's favorite snacks. The book has recipes for energizing trail mixes or just eat them raw on the go.
Now we're getting to dinner. This is the one question of what's for dinner that a lot of moms just hate to even think about because it's so busy nowadays.
Yeah. It's not that hard. I mean, typically, there's a lot of great recipes in here, and some of them take a little more time, some are less time. But I'll make, for example, a steak salad, which is super easy. You just put a piece of grass-fed skirt steak or something on the grill, slice it up thin, throw it on a big salad.
So where's the pasta or the rice? It's not on the menu.
There are essential fats, there are essential proteins, but there's no such thing as essential carbohydrates. It's not necessary for us to eat.
We don't need a carb to live at all.
Except what I would say is carbohydrates are also the most important thing we need for health and longevity. So what do I mean by that? Vegetables.
Vegetables.
Vegetables. We said we just don't need those bready things at all. All right, Dr. Hyman says we do need to start thinking of sugar, he says, as an unregulated drug that's hooking Americans into processed food. He says he only takes about 30 minutes total to prepare all of his meals. So he said it doesn't take a lot of time, or money. We're going to have the full in-depth interview with Dr. Mark Hyman on my Kara's Cures podcast. I'll post the link to listen on my Facebook page. And you can also visit his UltraWellness Center in Lenox, Massachusetts. They do specialized health screenings there.
Yeah, and he's going to be doing a book signing there on December 2nd, 5 to 7 p.m. Tickets are $35 and includes a copy of the book. Hey, that's great. Food, What the Heck Should I Cook?